Today we will show you how to make Stick Harumaki, deep-fried spring rolls filled with shrimp, edamame, and cheese. Long and skinny, they are perfect finger food for party appetizers, and it's super easy to make. Full recipe is on JapaneseCooking101.com. Cut the harumaki wrappers in half. Harumaki or Japanese spring roll wrappers are thinner than egg roll skins. You can substitute with egg roll skins if that's the only kind you can find. In a small bowl, mix all-purpose flour and water until well combined and set aside. We are going to use this as glue. Next, we are going to prep the shrimp. Just remove tails, devein, and cut into small pieces. Transfer to a bowl and season with some salt and sake. Here we also have shelled edamame and shredded cheese. On a cutting board, place a sheet of harumaki skin with the long side facing you. Add some shredded cheese, edamame, and shrimp to the bottom part of the skin. And smear the flour paste along the sides and the far edge of the skin like that, and roll it up tightly like a thin sushi roll. Push the sides down, sealing the edges to prevent it from unrolling or leaking in the oil. Press the sides to secure. Repeat to make 10 rolls total. Heat the frying oil in a pan at medium-high heat and deep fry the harumaki for a couple of minutes, turning once or twice, and fry until golden brown. Remove from the oil and serve immediately. While these harumaki are flavorful on their own thanks to the salt, seasoning, and cheese, you can serve them with sweet and spicy sauce or ponzu sauce if you would like. We hope you'll try these delicious spring rolls this holiday season.
美味しい。美味しいね。